Willie, it's coming, quick!
Oh yeah, they're full.
P19. Yarding and straight at Chamblee, Georgia. AC 44 C6N, and here we got 4175. 4175. 4175. These are 50 car, 48 car sticks that. BNSF 76188. BBFX 403. What? It doesn't. 48 cars is all that counts. 48 cars. This is. That's a raper car from BNSF. Are you going now? Number 1987. Number 1987. UTLX. CRDX 3088. That's a different tank car than that one. That must be containing, nope, 19, maybe it can hold more, but that one, those don't, that's from Greenbrier. Are we gonna get a double? No. Do you think he'll stop or continue moving?
Are they scheduled to pick up anything else?
Drop off these cars.
I think these switches are about to move.
That's a Wisconsin Central car.
Yeah. What is that?
Lumber.
Lumber.
And that's a Wisconsin Central car. Wisconsin Central.
I know the train stopped.
It's just switching tracks and then it will go.
No, there you go. Just switching tracks. It'll go in a minute.
Let's see when that tank car. What is that for?
I think this is north or southern, but not P51.
So you don't have an actual scanner?
No, I just do it on my phone. So what's your YouTube channel, by the way?
It's UP844 fan. 844 fan.
Ready? The train stopped. The train stopped.
2.7K.
Yeah, I have a lot of videos from military trains to tracing motor trains and ballast trains out of ballast trains. I have a video of a derailment. Yeah. Coca-Cola wrap.
I think I've known people
It trains
who did this back in 2020. I think an Eskimo was railing next to the railway.
That's what from that video is from.
Right.
I got the aftermath.
Yeah, I heard about it. So nothing.
I don't know why it's taking him so long to switch tracks.
It'd take a while since they aren't dropping
Dropping off 48 cars and then they will start picking up cars.
Yeah, there's a few cars down there.
They do?
Yeah, a few hoppers.
You spoke to the conductor?
Back there.
Yeah?
Yeah, but I didn't ask them about the train though.
I heard that they had 48 cars and they were gonna just,